Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert simple pie chart in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, Econometrics, and Statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin with the idea of pie chart. So a pie chart is a circular graph divided into slices, each representing a category's contribution to the whole pie. So it visually compares proportions and making it easy to see relative sizes of different parts. So here you can see I have the hypothetical data of an economy that shows the various sectors and their contribution into total GDP. So first you select the entire data, go to insert menu. Here we have the chart tools. So go to all charts, click on all charts, and here you have the option of pie. So select this and click OK. So here we have the pie chart. Now suppose we want labels. So you go to plus sign, data labels, click on this right arrow, and then you click on more options. So now suppose we want series name, category name, and instead of value, we want percentage. Close it. So now you can see the share of each sector. So technology sector 10%, others 5%, agriculture sector 20%, manufacturing 25%, and services 40%. You can also have the 3D pie chart. So again, you go to select the data, insert, see all charts, go to all charts, pie, and then select 3D pie and simply click OK. Then we have 3D pie chart. Again, go to plus sign, data labels, right arrow, more options, select category name and percentage, uncheck value, close it. So now you have 3D pie chart. So this is how you insert the simple and 3D pie chart in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.